In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up goals and habit tracking in Google Calendar. This is a super handy feature that can help keep your life organized, productive, and on track. To get started, the first thing you will need to do is head over to Google Calendar. You can easily access this through your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to spot and click on the Create button. It should be located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a menu that gives you a few different options for what you can add to your calendar. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Event. Go ahead and click on Event to start setting up your goal or habit. Now that you're in the event creation screen, the first task is to name your goal or habit. This name should be something clear and specific, something that immediately reminds you of what you want to achieve. For example, if you're setting a goal to practice yoga more regularly, you might title it Morning Yoga. Giving your habit a clear name helps set your intentions and keeps you focused. Next, you need to pick the best time for this activity. Consider your current schedule and energy levels throughout the day to find a time where you're most likely to commit. Morning routines, for instance, might be great for some, while others thrive in the evening. Select the time that suits you best so you can consistently make it a part of your day. After you've chosen the time, it's important to set the frequency of this goal or habit. This might be daily, weekly, or whatever fits your lifestyle. Regularity is key to habit formation, so think about how often you want to work on this goal. Once that's decided, go ahead and set the frequency to match your commitment level. Now, let's add a description to provide some extra details. This could include specific tasks or motivations related to your goal. For example, under Morning Yoga, you might write a short routine or encouraging words to remind yourself why this practice is important. Following this, you'll want to explore the More Options feature, which allows you to fine-tune your setup. This is where you can customize reminders and notifications. These alerts are crucial to keep you accountable and ensuring that you never miss a scheduled session. Finally, the last step is to hit Save. This will finalize your setup, making it official. And there you have it. Your goals and habits are now part of your Google Calendar. This integration will help you stay motivated and organized as you work towards your personal development. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides on productivity and organization.